Consider the following example. Write an equation in the variables x and y for the line that passes through the point 10, 13, and that is perpendicular to the line with equation 5x plus 4y equals 70. Provide precise expressions, not decimal approximations. In our introduction video, we discussed how to write the equation of a line in a variety of forms. If you are looking to identify the slope of a line from its equation, the most convenient form is slope-intercept. So I'll take 5x plus 4y equals 70, and let's solve it for y. So we would have 4y equals negative 5x plus 70, or y equals negative 5 divided by 4 times x plus 70 divided by 4, which I could reduce or leave alone, and I'll say more about that in a moment. But this is the slope-intercept form of the line that the line we want is perpendicular to. Remember that we said the slopes of perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals, and in slope-intercept form, the slope is the leading coefficient. So the slope of the line that our line is perpendicular to is actually negative 5/4. That means our line's slope would be positive 4/5, the negative reciprocal. Okay, now using our slope and the point we have, which is 10, 13, we can either use point slope or slope-intercept to find the equation of the line. The quickest way just to write down the equation of a line is to use point slope. So I'll write y minus 13 equals the slope, which is 4/5, times x minus 10, and that's the point slope form of the equation of the line. Now in general, that's y minus the y coordinate of your given point equals the slope times the quantity x minus the x coordinate. In this particular problem in WebAssign, it gave you a box to type in, and the calc pad will pop up for you. And because there was no specification about a particular form of the equation of a line, we can just type in the point slope form. If you prefer, clean it up and write it as slope-intercept. Likewise, sometimes in WebAssign you may see y equals on the outside of the box. If that were to happen in your particular problem, then what you would do is simply type the portion that y is actually equal to. So using my point slope form, I would instead write in the box 4/5 times the quantity x minus 10 plus 13. In other words, I'd have to literally solve it for y. Now, as I mentioned before, and said I would come back to it, you actually, with the calc pad available to you, you're not required to clean anything up. So I can, if I needed to use the value 70/4, I could leave it as 70/4 rather than reducing it. And likewise here, I can leave my equation as 4/5 times the quantity x minus 10 plus 13, and I don't have to clean it up. The only time you would need to clean it up is if you were specifically asked for the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line.